Hey. Wait before you scroll. Seriously, why is it so hard to find a human hair wig that actually looks and feels real? Girl, I've been there. But don't worry. In this video, I'm showing you the best human hair wigs for sale right now, and it's like a full-on guide for every girl, whether you're new to wigs or just want to level up your look. Trust me, there's a game changer in here for you. Oh, I'm Jennifer Angular, and I make videos all about beauty, style, and honestly, just figuring it all out as we go. If you love real talk, honest reviews, and like finding cute stuff that actually works, then hey, you're totally in the right place. Number one is a game changer, so don't miss number one. All the product link in the description. So, if you're looking for best human hair wigs, stick around. I have a $15 off with free shipping discount code available, link in description or visit cutpromo.com. Let's dive in. Number 5, Brown Honey Blonde Highlight Lace Front Wigs. Okay, so Brethelem, show you the one I've been obsessed with lately. It's the April Hair Brown Honey Blonde Highlight Lace Front Wig. I got it off Amazon. Point down. And I wasn't expecting much at first, but girl, the color? It's this perfect, warm blend of chocolate brown with honey blonde streaks. It looks so natural, and the way it catches the light? It's giving expensive. Here's the thing, it's 100% Brazilian human hair. So you can straighten it, curl it, whatever. And it comes pre-plucked, which means no extra work trying to make that hairline look natural. Okay, so let me keep it real. When I first pulled it out of the box, I was like, is this gonna shed? Is it thick enough? Is the lace gonna be itchy? But, no. The lace is soft, the knots are small, almost invisible, and the density is that perfect middle knot, too thin, not too bulky, just right. Oh, and it's a 13x4 lace front, so you can part it however you want. Side, middle, zigzaggo, crazy. Honestly, this wig is perfect if you want that summery glow-up look, don't have time or patience lol for a full install, are new to lace wigs and want something beginner-friendly, or if you're like me and you just want to look put together with minimal effort, this is that girl. And look, some lace wigs need a whole YouTube tutorial and prayer circle just to put on, but this one? Number 4, Bob Wig Human Hair with Bangs Glueless. Alright, so deep breath, this is the wig I've been wearing lately. It's from Amazon, and it's the Megood Beauty Glueless Bob Wig with bangs. I'll link it down below so you can check it out. And, y'all, of the cut? It's like this sleek little bob that hits right at the chin, super flattering. The bangs are full but not too thick, so they don't feel like a curtain over your face. Lol. It's 100% human hair, and you can definitely feel the difference. It's soft, it moves. It doesn't have that plasticky shine. You know the one. Okay, so here's the thing, not all of us have time or energy to glue down lace, pluck hairlines, or spend 45 minutes styling a wig just to go to Target, right? That's why this one works, it's literally glueless, which means you can just throw it on, adjust the strap, maybe brush it out real quick, and boom, you're done. There's no lace to melt. No ear tabs to line up. Just effortless. And still cute. Really cute. If you're curious, it's the Megood Glueless Human Hair Bob Wig with Bangsy. Got mine off Amazon. It's super affordable for human hair, and honestly, it's kinda perfect for summer, vacations, work, or just not wanting to deal with hair in general. Number 3, Women Hand-Tied Lace Front Human Hair Wig. Okay, so let's start with the basics because I didn't even know this myself until recently. A hand-tied wig basically means every single strand is tied onto the lace by hand, one by one, which sounds intense, but the result? It moves like real hair, it lays super flat on your scalp, and it feels so much lighter. It's like, wait, let me breathe for a sec. It's like the difference between a fast fashion tee and a hand-stitched designer top. You feel the difference right away. So the one I've been wearing is from Amazon. It's the Haircube hand-tied blonde layered lace front wig. When I first pulled it out the box, I was like, okay, this color might be too bold for me. But once I actually put it on, and the hand-tied part, phew, it's breathable, comfy, and my scalp was not screaming by the end of the day. Huge win. Okay, soon, tiny thing. If you're not used to lace fronts, it might take a second to get used to blending the front properly. I used a little powder to blend mine into my skin. Oh, and I did trim a little bit of the bangs to better frame my face, but that's just my personal thing. Other than that, it's kind of perfect. Number 2, Inch Ombre Blonde Brown Human Hair. So, this is the one I've been wearing lately. It's the KKU Inch Ombre Blonde Brown Human Hair Wig. And let me tell you, I was low-key skeptical at first. Like, I opened the package and thought, okay, this might be too light for me, but once I tried it on, whew, the blend from brown to blonde is so smooth. It's not that harsh ombre, where it's like dark and then bam, blonde. This one's like soft layered honey and chocolate. Ugh, beautiful. Okay, so this is human hair, not synthetic, which means you can style it, straighten it, curl it, you name it. The texture is silky, but not, like, too shiny. You know that fake shine some wigs have that kind of screams, hi, I'm plastic? Yeah, none of that here. And it's lightweight, which I love because, girl, I cannot do those heavy caps that make you sweat after 20 minutes. Nope. Plus, it's glueless, which is a game changer if you're like me and don't always feel like messing with lace glue or melting down your forehead every morning. Also, it doesn't come pre-plucked. So I took a few minutes to lightly pluck the hairline. Not a deal breaker, just something to know. Number 1, Starluck Wigs. Human hair, lace, front, wigs. So this wig, right? Here, girl. First of all, let me just show you the color real quick. Holds up wig. Look at this blonde. It's not too yellow, not too ashy. It's got that perfect warm honey tone with brown roots so it blends. Like, this isn't one of those helmet wigs, The hairline? Soft. The lace? Thin. And it's pre-plucked enough that I didn't have to fight it with tweezers. Alright, so let's talk wearability. This is a glueless lace front. So if you're like me and hate waking up early to melt lace every morning, you're gonna love this. I just pop it on, adjust the strap in the back, do a lil press with my hot comb, and boom, done. It's lightweight, breathable, and no sliding even when I'm running around or sweating a bit. You know how some wigs make you feel like they're slowly creeping off your head? Yeah, not this one. Okay, small heads up. The lace does come a little long in the front, so I had to trim it just a tiny bit to fit my hairline. Not a big deal, but if you're a total beginner, maybe watch a quick YouTube vid first. Also, it had a slight smell out of the bag, but that's super normal. I washed it once and it was fine. So yeah, whether you're dealing with hair loss, switching up your style, or just want to feel cute, you deserve a wig that makes you feel like you again. Not itchy, not fake, not frustrating. Just you, but with great hair. If you found this helpful, or if you're still not sure which wig to get, drop a comment below, I'll help you out. For real. Ando. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so we can hang out more. I've got more wig tips, beauty hauls, and girl talk coming soon.